Okay, good evening. Now, I did play through 35 minutes of this last night. And I usually use OBS. For some reason, OBS, when you're running the game, the preview, the HUD in-game is flickering, which comes out on the video. Doesn't happen when you're playing the game, but it comes out on, So I've had to revert back to Bandicam. I was going to use Action, but I'll just stick with Bandicam for the moment until that gets rectified, or I work out what setting is within OBS is causing that small slight issue, which is a real bloody headfuck. So I'm going to basically start a new game, play through all that bit again, because it was pretty bloody entertaining, because it's a bloody good game. Well, I like it anyway. So new game, normal, permadeath, you can bugger off. No way. I like sticking with the characters that I've got, and let's go. Yeah, we know all that. And if Chroma Key's on the piss, I can't be bothered. Ubisoft.
Yeah. London. What a town.
London.
History around every corner, and a tourist photographing it. Pubs serving up a pint and a smile. All that music, theatre and art. And multiculturalism.
And gangs and knives and drug addicts. And homeless people.
The class of cities, really. Top shelf stuff. Only took 12,000 years to build it up. And
it's a
night
shithole.
to tear it all down.
An absolute shithole. Cheers. I've got a really bad back and it is Friday. Okay, Chroma Key. If Chroma Key fucks up, I just cannot be bothered to sort it out. That's exactly where what's his name from Sherlock Holmes, who plays Iron Man, can't remember his name, jumps out of the building.
Plenty of your flying friends about.
Brilliant film.
Fucking hell.
Dalton, no time to waste.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, man. I've been watching various YouTubers play this, and it is good. I really love the first one. The second one,
If you hadn't brushed off, I
didn't enjoy.
Ever consider leaving these security threats to the authorities?
That's rich, Bagley. The government would sooner arrest us for trying to help than actually do something useful.
We'll have to sort this one on our own.
Carefully, Dalton.
Bagley, are you detecting a little worry in Sabine's voice?
Brilliant. Asking the computer about feelings. This explains so much.
Shut it, you two, and get to work.
There she is.
There she is. Let's do this. Okay, Chroma Key is playing up a little bit, but it's not too bad. And there's definitely an audio glitch as well. They released a day one patch today, which I would like to call day patch 2, because it did not come out on the day that it was released. Okay, I'm just going to see if I can tweak Chroma Key just slightly. Okay. Hopefully that's a little bit better, or I've just made it worse. Let's do this. You see? The audio just drops out. That sounds so good.
More than it hurt me.
And the weapons are just friggin' brilliant.
Do us a favor and keep it quiet, Dalton.
If they don't shoot me, I won't shoot them. How's that?
I've got a really bad back, and him hunched over like that is really hurting my back. I mean, this is slick. It really is slick. Oh. That noise. Ow, that hurt my back. Have some of that, bro.
They've got loads of DedSec gear down here. Now, why do you suppose that is?
What? How did they get their hands on it?
I don't know. But someone wants to make it look like DedSec was here.
Shit. You need to proceed with extreme caution, Dalton.
Who are these men in black, anyway?
Nothing identifying. I suspect that's by design.
Okay, I'm just going to pause it when I have a little sip because it's fucking up chroma key. Oh.
Oh, fuck me. The entire place is rigged to blow.
Jesus, those canisters. Bagley, is that...
RDX nitrogen. Enough to level Parliament.
Can you locate a detonator, Bagley?
Not exactly, but there's a device streaming a fuckload of encrypted data from the floor above you.
Yeah, that fits the bill. On my way.
Okay, this ain't looking too fucking good, is it?
Me!
Okay, that didn't work. Fuck you.
Staged DedSec propaganda all around the bombs. These pricks are going to blow up Parliament and hang it on us.
Not if you get to that detonator first.
What do I skip? Oh, sorry, what do I analyse? What am I meant to analyse, you bell-end prick? Have I just missed it? Okay. No, just analyse.
Bagley, is that not the detonator?
No, but it's a transmitter sending a signal to a device on the floor above us. Safe to assume that would be the detonator we're looking for.
Oh, sketchy. Sketchy Nolder. I need another sip. It's thirsty work, this espionage hacking shit. Right, quick sip. Right. Yeah, it's definitely an audio bug, and the game crashed just a minute ago. Okay, going uppos.
Right in the House of Commons. Whoever these men in black are, they've got brass bollocks to set up in the centre of government.
Good on them, I say. Leave them to it. Leave them to it. Have we got anything in here? Okay, we're arm trap. Can I arm trap? No, of course I can't. Have I got to wait for... Okay, nope. Okay. Anything else? Okay. Is that... Do they stay active? Can I arm that? Nope. What's that? Okay, we're going to arm just everything. I did do this last night, but I didn't do it like this. Come and get me, bros. Come and get me. I am well and truly ready.
I found the detonator. And it's definitely live. Bagley, I'm gonna need some help with this.
Yes, you are, but sadly I'm locked out.
Fuck. Well, we don't have a chance without Bagley.
Wait, I might know a workaround. We trained in manual overrides at MI5.
You're full of surprises. Be quick about it.
All right, Bagley, do your thing.
I have no fucking clue what he's just done.
And the bombs have just armed themselves. Well, that may complicate matters.
Fuck's sake. Can you defuse them or not?
Of course I can.
Well,
I
what did you
also
expect,
tripped another
mate?
fail-safe and vaporize you, so fair warning.
Expect this to draw some attention your way, Dalton.
Oh, I'm counting on it.
Company at our back door. Dalton, we've got some heat here at HQ.
How long is this going to take, Bagley?
Depends how often you interrupt me with questions.
All right, everyone. Faces on, guns out. It's about to get real.
And you're about to get shot, I think. Shite. Okay, well, those two on the side going up should get fried.
They're on me. I'll try and hold them off.
Yeah. Where's my gun? I want my gun.
Check your doors and corners. Look.
He's fried.
Bagley, tell me you're close.
I'm through security, now wading through terabytes of decoy code looking for the detonation sequence.
Bagley, update.
Let's just say I'm both impressed and annoyed by how sophisticated this anti-tamper security is. Still working.
Landing a shot.
Okay, what's reload? Okay.
They're shooting at us. Suspect hit.
Shit. Not sure why I keep hitting X to reload, but hey. Diffusing bomb.
Problem, Dalton. I need your physical appendages now.
Oh, okay. Didn't realise I had that. Okay, bro. Okay. I think we're okay. Apart from that one
What's wrong?
game.
There are 3 slots
Crash.
on the left. One of them is the receiver. You need to pull the controller wire.
Are you fucking kidding me?
No, I'm fucking not. Pull the wire.
If this gets me blown up...
Bombs defused.
Ooh. Sneaky.
That wasn't so bad, was it?
Sneaky.
Bagley, you bastard. You nearly gave me a bloody heart attack then.
Oh, my back.
Whoa. What the fuck am I looking at?
It appears Parliament is not the only target. More bombs are going live as we speak.
On screen, Bagley.
Fucking hell, we need to get the word out. Those sites need to be evacuated.
They're spread out all over London.
I'll blow the fuck out of it. Who cares?
But my sister's at the town conference.
No one.
We have to do something.
I picked up a transmitter on the roof that is sending out a signal to the other bomb sites. If you can reach
Nope.
it...
I can shut it all down.
Chroma key.
Sabine!
Fuck! Dalton, we're breached!
Okay, they're
No,
fucked.
The roof!
They are fucked. What does this sound like? I'm not going to fire it off, actually.
Sabine, what's going on?
We're being raided. It's a bloodbath. Her protocol is to wipe everything, including Bagley.
I need him for the transmitter.
I know, but if they get him, they get everything. Names, ops, locations.
Okay, I'll do it the old-fashioned way. Wipe him.
Yes, wipe me.
Do it, Sabine, and get the hell out of there.
Fuck. Okay.
Okay, what the heck am I meant to be doing here?
You're on your own. Dalton, if this goes...
It won't. I'll see you at the rally point. I promise.
Good luck.
Oh. keep hitting the wrong button.
Fuck! It's just me. Ah!
Hold on, can I not go back and refill ammo? Of course I can't. Twat. Oops. Okay, what's run? Because it's not that. What's run? I don't even know what run is. For fuck's sake. No. No. Can I not run? I must be able to run. Okay, up the ladder we go again. Up to the roof.
Where are you? Okay.
Okay, he doesn't really know what he's doing, does he?
Bingo.
Nothing is ever that easy.
No.
Well done, Dalton Wolf. I'm impressed.
The fuck are you?
Oh, you still think you're here to save London? I'm afraid that's not going to happen.
Innit?
You're here to help us with some important work.
Important work. Killing thousands of...
Exactly. To save the world. You do know Londoners have died before, hmm? The plague, the Great Fire, the Blitz. It's not much fun. But destruction is always the cure. And it begins today. Zero Day. It's time for a hard reset.
Oh my god.
Pretty fucking impressive.
A series of explosions devastated 3 sites in London. Authorities are asking residents to remain in their homes as the situation continues to develop. We have received no official casualty total, but it is expected.
Mourners gathered for a series of candlelight vigils that brought closure to thousands of families and indeed to an entire city. London is now laser-focused.
Press conference today at 10 Downing Street, where Nigel Cass, CEO of private military company Albion, received a mandate to secure London. Cass has vowed to hunt down DedSec, the terrorist group responsible.
I've got that little piggy mask, I think.
Artificial intelligence systems and autonomous drones to capture the remaining members of DedSec. A stark warning to would-be insurgents.
Top corporations are posting record profits due to increased efficiencies in production and distribution, enabled by the use of technologies initially developed and approved for security purposes.
Getting a long overdue cleanup as crime numbers take a dive. Illegal gambling, drug trafficking and prostitution all down following prosecutions of the leaders of 4 of London's 5 largest criminal syndicates. The streets of Camden and Brixton.
Londoners, as Albion's mandate is extended indefinitely by the government, life finally begins to return to normal. Curfews and travel restrictions have been lifted in all boroughs, thanks to the deployment.
Life as we know it isn't going to return to normal for ever.
Possibly by foreign meddlers pushing a false narrative through social media. Albion is in complete control of a few...
To reprimand the public about the circulation of fake news, conspiracy theories persisting in the dark corners of the internet that terrorist group DedSec were framed for the bombings have been roundly rejected. Our own reporters could not find a single Londoner willing to expound those theories on camera. The facts simply do not support any other story.
Okay, so I'm assuming that's going to save. It better do. Because I don't want to do that again.
I need to assemble a team, but I can't reboot DedSec alone. Let me break into London CTOS and see who's available.
Okay, well, hurry up. I want that. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, hold LB to profile
and we've been discussing
the Spider-Bot and hijack.
Terrorist group DedSec on this week's Buccaneer Radio. I have Colin calling in. Colin, what's your take?
Now, I've been saying from the start we should have rounded up DedSec and thrown them in jail. Now, I'll say they should all be lined up and shot.
You don't find it awfully convenient that they've been fingered as the attackers, but we've seen no proof?
Look at Tone! Look at our city! What more proof do you need?
Well, Colin,
this is
you have
ace.
to look at their history of non-violent action. Albion's put more civilians in the hospital in the past few months than DedSec ever has. I smell a scapegoat. Now I have Emily calling in. Emily, what's your take?
You're absolutely right, Claire. The government's just framing DedSec because they want to make it seem like they have this under control.
Okay, can I not get over? Nope.
No clue who was behind the bombings. But that doesn't look good on the news, does it? DedSec's been a thorn in their side. Who better to pin it on?
Angie, I have you next.
Okay, what is that down there?
I think if anything,
What's that?
DedSec showed their true colours. It's terrifying to think we harboured such a dangerous element for years. Terrorists in our own backyard. Do you find DedSec more frightening than the different gangs in London, like Clan Kelly? Clan Kelly might set your shop on fire and maybe they'd kill you, but even they wouldn't try to blow up all of Parliament. Next, I have Crypto King. Do you feel safer using a pseudonym?
Everyone should. Why make it easier for them to track you? And now we've seen what they're capable of and how far they're willing to go.
Hold on. Do you mean the government? Are you suggesting the government was responsible for the bombings?
Oh, trust me, Claire. They didn't do it alone. They're all in on it. The government, Albion, Sirs, Bloom, Sky Bloody Larson. And all the way up to Downing Street.
Are we wiping everything?
They want to keep us scared. Harness us with mind control. Suck every last ounce of usefulness out of us. And even in death they'll sell off our bodies.
And what do you suggest we do, Crypto King?
Go underground. Deep enough, no electric signal can get you.
Man, this is nuts.
Well, thank you to all of our callers today, and thank you for tuning in and scouting for the truth along with me. Next week, Buccaneer Radio will be diving in.
Shit. Situation is worse than I thought. But there's a candidate. Looks like you're DedSec's best hope.
Ooh. Select your first operative. Yeah, bro. No. I like you, bro. Yeah, you'll do. Okay, welcome to the Resistance. Milan Parker will be your first member of your DedSec team. Continue growing your team by recruiting new members. Confirm. I like you, bro. Short hack cooldowns, runs hacker forum on dark web. Cool. Yeah, you'll do. We like dudes like you, bro. Naughty fucking shit, son. Love it. So I'm hoping it will save me, because then I can render the video, edit and render the video, upload it, and then move my back. Oh, we've got another massive cutscene. Okay, I'm assuming it's saved.
Glad to see you're alive. If you're still committed to the cause, DedSec needs you. I'll send you the coordinates to our last safe house. Meet me there.
Fine. Okay, let me just check a minute. There's no option to... Turn music off. Turn it off. Okay, so can I set away? Okay, I'm going to set a waypoint and then just get to this place, and then are these all electric cars or? Okay, the handling is quite nice, actually, I must admit. Landon Tan. Shito. Okay, I'm going to do this bit and then I seriously need to move. Because my back is really hurting. Which way? Which way? Which way? This way?
I've downloaded a patch to your optics so you can access our security system. It's set up so that I can't just let someone who isn't DedSec in. You'll have to do the manual override.
Smart move having redundant systems like that. Can't trust anyone, right?
Okay. Okay. Oh, hold on.
One of Sabine's, are you? I'll see you downstairs later then.
Cheers, then. What am I meant to be doing now? Has it saved?
This is what you wanted, mate. Get to it.
Fucking Nora, what is going on here? Oh, sneaky beaky. I just hope it's saved because I'm not doing all that again. Okay, well, whoa, what the heck? Restart. Okay, restart DedSec. Power up safe house.
Sabine! Right, where's the fucking light switch?
I can't run. It's, Okay. I can't run. I can't do any of this shit that I want to do. I'm assuming I'm getting to this. I mean, look at the surfers in here. Holy fuck. Nice. Nice kit. I need another beer as well, eh? No? Have I not powered it up? Right, okay, I'm going to have to... Hold on. Alright. Okay. Bad end.
No DedSec registration detected. Identify yourself, or I'll seal the exits, hack your optic, and read you every drunken email you ever wrote until you starve.
Whoa, whoa, it's all right. I'm supposed to be here. Authorization code Sabine sent me?
Sabine's alive? Well, that's one piece of good news. I'm Bagley, DedSec's definitely not stolen, highly advanced AI assistant, and it seems I've been out of commission for a few months. Anyway, why don't you go connect me to the DedSec network so I can become more powerful than you could possibly imagine? I mean, catch up on what I missed.
Okay. I'm going to leave it at that because I really, really do need to move my back. It feels like it's going to snap. This is friggin' brilliant fun, and I'm really looking forward to playing through all of it. All of it. I will make a part 2 after I've moved my back. Cool. This is Watch Dogs Legion, and it's fucking brilliant. Have fun, do it safely. Peace.